beach. This is our spread. This is how it's looking.
With a fat ass.
We got the babies in. Nightin. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. You ready? Go beach. Should we bring his little pool? Bye. Hi, baby. Where we at? Where we stay? We're at the beach. It's such a pretty day today. We just had to come out. Plus 2, it's somebody's birthday.
Hey. Hi. Oh.
How old are you?
100.
How old are you?
21. Thank you guys.
She's 1'5". I didn't record us going to the store, but we did go to the store to grab like fish and stuff, chips, stocked up. It's kind of just us today, plus my other sister is coming.
Which sister?
Shy. But we're gonna have a good day today. We specifically picked this beach because Naiden could swim. There's not a shower here, so but we did bring like water so we could like rinse them off.
Help you? I don't want to help you. I help you.
How's the beach? Okay, let's unload.
Yeah, I freaking stay up. Like I stay up by myself. He falls asleep and I stay up by myself.
Why? You swim? Yeah. Where we stay at the beach? We're at the beach.
Look, show them you guys
say
matching.
Hi, everybody. We're all matching. We have matching bathing suits. This is mine, and then this is how the boys one look. And then Nick has the same one.
Hold on. 저, 그거야, 그만 가자.
10 is up. Look at my child. Eating sand. No. Dirty. It can go higher. Wait, hold on. I gotta do it too. I can't do this. I can't. Ow. My.
Hold this part. No.
Oh. I can't.
Yep.
Flip.
Oh, you have. They do literally the best. No.
who decided to show up. Hi! This is our setup. Nothing crazy. This is our spread. This is how it's looking. With our chips and a twisted tea. We're having a little snack break. We have fish.
And we got pickle mango. That's the rice. Are you using that as rice?
Onion? Yeah. And we got this one. So good.
Can I eat that?
No. Here we go. And we got spicy ahi.
Spicy like her breath. What? Okay, don't put your ugly ass fingers.
Fuck you.
Okay, we're gonna put it right on top.
Can we just eat it even though there was water in it?
What?
This?
Yeah.
Why, you guys want like soggy rice?
Oh! Clean up. God, it's messy. Do you guys have a trash bag? Where?
My yellow bag. I knew you guys was gonna forget trash bag, so I bring one.
Oh, this one smells good.
Yeah, girl, it's lavender.
This trash bag smells good.
Yeah, like me.
That's why she needs it, because she be stinking at the house. Look at the babies. Oh, he's going in.
Look at his balls.
Go, baby, go. Wow. It's such a pretty day today. Oh my god. We're probably gonna leave soon because it's her birthday and we're gonna have dinner at home. What?
Oh my god.
Say something. I'm cute. You guys, why does she always, in every single video that I have, that's literally what she always says.
Because I am cute. The fuck?
The fuck, the fuck, the fuck. If you're not outside, where the fuck you at?
Oi. Look at Sailor. She's posing. She's a little model like her mommy.
Who the fuck does she think she is?
That. Look at my daughter. Look at her. She looks just like her mother.
No, she looked just like her auntie. She looked just like her auntie.
Not even tackle him.
Get him, baby.
Get him.
Ready?
Look, Sailor, unbothered.
Oh, look.
Look, the helicopter. Airplane.
What is that? What is that? Oh, helicopter.
We're probably not gonna jump back in the water because it's like overcast. She won't lay down. Let her sunbathe.
Go.
She wants to sunbathe. I'm just chilling and all of a sudden I just see this fat whale.
With a fat ass.
Her over there.
Go, baby. Go, baby. Oh, hi.
Hi. Look, baby, helicopter. He's obsessed with like airplanes.
done?
I was trying to catch a video on my camera, but it's telling me that I have no memory. I swear I have memory because I was deleting stuff. Look at my other baby. Hello, honey. Are you having fun? Hi. Look at his booty. After this swim though, we're gonna go because it's kind of getting late.
Look, baby. Hi. Ready? We're gonna do a dip.
The babies are tired. Here's one. Look at that one over there. Two. Look at that one.
So fucking, it's freezing. It's so
One,
cold. You wanna go up?
2, and 3.
You done? Okay, we'll go up. Look, we'll go up. You go up. You out. Huh? You done?
No. I think this one falls. That one's good. Yeah, she's done. That one's done too. That one's gravity.
Hi. Oh my god.
Come on,
Hi.
go.
Oh. We're having a little shower because there's no showers here. Okay. Okay, bitch.
Can I pause it?
Okay, guys, we're gonna go snorkeling without the snorkel.
Without the snorkel, we're just gonna go look right here in the shallow.
Literally right there in the shallow.
Yeah, because we're scared. We don't want to go out too far in the deep end. Then we're gonna have to get saved by the lifeguards over here.
And I don't want to see something that I do not want to see.
They want to eat us.
I don't want to see something that want to eat me.
Yeah.
It's better if I
No.
don't. No. Okay. We'll be back.
Let's go.
Wait, how do I make this tighter?
Let's go. We got our goggles on. What do she has the circle?
I want to see.
So let's Yeah. Okay.
Wait, is it? Are you sure?
Yeah. I looked it up.
Can you take it in the water without the case? Is that what you looked up?
It said you can take it into the water without a housing.
Is that the same thing?
Yeah, let's find out.
pretty much packing up. We're going. The sun already set, as you can see. But we already took down the tent. We're breaking down. We got the boys. Hello, that's what I drink.
Oh yeah, straight. No wonder. Shaka Jesus.
What?
Hi, my handsome baby. Hello. Hello, you had fun? Maiden. Ay, kasi taco? Wow. Wow, wow.
Today was such a pretty day too because there was a gender reveal like literally just like a minute ago. But Shy bring her camera and she was like, well, I ended up going over there and I was like, do you want us to take pictures? And they were like, they're like, do you want us to take pictures? Oh no, wait, what?
Do you want us to take pictures and then like what? This shit you goddamn word.
Like what? Like. Like girl, say it. We can take your pictures for free. Like the girl.
So we ended up taking their pictures. Look.
Look, and we got their cake. We got their leftovers. They're having a girl, bro.
They're having a girl.
Team girl. Johnny was team boy because she has boys, and I have a girl. I was team girl, so I won. So pay up. We should have bet, bro. I would have won.
We should wrestle right here on this side.
Oh, shut up. You would get smoked.
Bitch, I would get smoked.
You would get smoked. And you, same time, you would get smoked.
Both these bitches be in exam.
You would get smoked too. No. Okay, can everybody shut up? Because you guys know I'd smoke all you guys. Okay, you got the birthday card, so we'll just let you win.
We'll let you win this one since it's your birthday.
I'm gonna show them my taco. Come on now. Oh, what they did to this thing black. Some big boy. Big boy.
No.
Fat boy. Fat boy.
Oh my god, Baby, what do we do?
Maybe you should just pour it inside the water.
Give me a phone, Brandon. You got it.
Oh.
Right here. Oh, right here.
The stink girl.